Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your account details on Wix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wix.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Wix website. Now from this homepage, if you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and use your credentials to log in. You will then be taken into your dashboard, from which if you wish to change your account details, then you can tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop down menu, click on account settings and you will end up within your account settings page. Now you can change various settings within your account from this option. Enter your first and your last name if you wish to change it, and you can also change your profile picture by clicking on the camera icon and uploading a picture. You can also change your site URL prefix if you wish to do so by clicking on the edit button. You can also change your language by clicking on the language drop down menu and choose from various languages available for Wix. Underneath this section, you will find the login information section where you can change your current email address. Underneath your email address, you can also click on edit password if you wish to change your account password. You can also add a phone number to your account by clicking on add phone number. Underneath this section, you will find the two-step verification options, from which you can secure your account by clicking on the enable button and using SMS verification to authenticate. You can also click on the enable button alongside verify logins by email if you wish to use your email address for this. There are also various other options to connect your social accounts, and you can also manage email preferences to change whether you want to receive promotional emails from Wix or not. Underneath this option, you will find the login activity where you can click on log out from all devices to secure your account in case you suspect someone else is using it. Finally, you have the option to manage your privacy settings and the option to close your account. You can also add payment methods and view your billing history and look at various other account settings from this page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account details on Wix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.